A hidden gem in Columbus is its long-standing tabletop gaming community that continues to thrive because of the various shops around town that have gained the complete trust and support of Columbus's many diverse players.
We actually have a pretty big community here. Between our store and the several other stores in Columbus, we offer a huge space for players just to join the community, and we have tons of different games just throughout Columbus itself for people to come and play.
It's just nice that we have such a varied environment of people who play, and then we're lucky to have several different stores to allow them to come in and kind of do that whatever they want to do.
Game shops around town have always supported the gaming community in many ways, from the private rental rooms provided by shops like Board Games and Tarnished Tabletop Gaming, Castle Games' online forum that lets people request and explore new games, to the entire shelf Tarnished Tabletop Gaming has dedicated to local artisans. Game shops have always been a safe space for many tabletop gamers to express their niche interests and find friends who share these curiosities.
The tabletop stores in Columbus are a great opportunity to network with other people that enjoy the hobbies, to meet new people that are getting into the hobbies and find new games to be able to play. It's just a great chance to really get to socialize over games and to have access to a community in person of people who share the same interests.
I've probably made some of my now best friends by just having this game store here and having these people come in constantly.
Actually offered me a space to meet people. I'm pretty introverted myself. It's kind of a struggle to go out and go to a commons area, try to meet people. Coming into a gaming place to talk to people, meet people, play games that they like is an experience that you can't really get anywhere other than a game store.